Welcome to Broomfield Tai Chi Chuan. In this video, we answer the question, should you stretch before Tai Chi practice? The answer is yes. If you can, you should absolutely stretch before Tai Chi practice. Now, I understand if you have to get to a class or you're pressed for time and you can't stretch, that's okay. You will still get the benefits out of Tai Chi. Practicing Tai Chi and Qigong and meditation for internal cultivation, for health and longevity, is very important, and you will get the benefits from it no matter if you stretch or not. But if you have time, you should stretch before Tai Chi class. It will make a better quality practice. It will allow the energy to flow smoothly throughout your body. So I recommend you stretch before class, but you shouldn't stretch on a cold body. So if you stretch, you should warm up a little first. Do a little cardio, do a nice martial art warm-up, then you can do your stretching routine or some yoga, and then it will make the practice more quality. So I always stretch if I can before Tai Chi practice. It allows me to do moves like snake creeps down, in a more quality way. So I always try and stretch before Tai Chi. Should you stretch before Tai Chi practice? The answer is absolutely yes, if you can. Watch one of my videos to practice some Tai Chi. Give me a subscribe. Stay healthy. Stay strong.